Welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, we are going to be talking about JPasswordField in Java. So the JPasswordField is a subclass of JFields, which provides the specialized text field for the password entry. So as you can see on your screen that the password is shown to you as an encrypted. So this JPasswordField is actually do that types of work. So now password public class JPassword and import javax.swing library, and after that I just write public static void main and then string and argument. Now here I just write jframe, which is f is equal to new jframe, and then I just write password field. Okay, after that I just write j password field and value, which is equal to new j password field. So you can say that password field the password is field is a keyword. So I just create object to it, and this is jframe. Now I just use JLabel, which is L1, which is equal to new JLabel, and here I just write label, which is password. Okay, so this label is for my text box, and here after that I just write value dot set bounds, which is 100, and 100 width is also 100, and the height here is 30. So for this j label I just write l1 dot set boundaries. So the boundaries for that is 20 and 100 and 80 and 30. So 80 is a width and 30 is height for that one. Okay, so this is the capital L, so j label, and then I just call that these objects like value. Okay, and then f dot add is l1, and then f dot set, and set which is layout, and layout is null here. Then f dot set visible, which is true. Now I just check the desired output for this code, and I think yes, yes, this is password field, and I just write any password, so it is encrypted here. You can see here. So this is called the password field. You can see here. So this is a password field in Java. Thanks for watching this lecture. See you in next lecture.